Oh, welcome to Means Woodshop. How about you join me today making this really simple beard combs? Beards have been pretty trendy for a while. However, it seems like the trend is kind of dying out to me. For us bearded fellows that are left, my brother-in-law got me a beard care kit for Christmas, which was pretty neat. Got beard oil, lotions, all that crap. And it had this little comb in it, which I thought is pretty cool. And it's made out of wood, and it looks like it was painted. Probably was. I doubt anybody mass-producing a kit would use like ebony or something on there. But it's pretty nice, and actually it's one of the few combs that I can actually run through my beard without it like getting caught in the hair and pulling my hair and stuff. And I thought that would be a fun project, and I don't see why it can't be really easy too. We're gonna make 2 of them. You remember the last video we made gauges from this. I think we're gonna use leftovers from this in the middle, which is about the same exact total length of that beard brush. This one, I think I'm gonna make like a longer comb. Let's get started drawing a design. Yeah, there's pattern number 1. I think the scroll saw is really going to be about the only tool we're really going to need to cut this out, besides our random orbit sander to clean it up. And aside from that, that's all you need. This isn't a hard project. This isn't anything complicated. It isn't rocket science. Wear your dad burn eye protection. Now wear your dad burn hearing protection. Ain't trying to go deaf. We got the dad burn pattern cut out. Looking pretty good. I altered each of them a little bit. It's got this little nub you can... In case you're wondering, I ain't wearing my shirt tucked in because I think it's a damn spiffy fashion statement. I'm not trying to look like a cool woodworking guy. Freezing cold out, and it actually helps keep some warmth around my belly. Anyways, with our shapes cut out, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take each one to the belt sander and just try to bring it in so the combs are as narrow as possible so we can actually get them into our hair and use the thing like a comb. Hopefully I don't break them. They feel really fragile. I'm glad that that's over. The belt sander is not a tool that I necessarily enjoy using. They're pretty thick, this one especially, but I ran it through the belt sander as long as I could stand, and I got these down to a point, and I mean, maybe my beard's not long enough, or it just really is a sucky design. I've never made a comb before, so we'll continue to work on it. We're gonna pull out the much better sander, our random orbit. We got 120 on here, so let's hit both of these with 120. Can't open the spray lacquer. The best part, I tell you. Walnut always looks amazing once I get the finish on there. Alright, well that's it for the beard combs. I think this one is a fail. I mean, I made those too thick, so I feel like it just slides across the surface and doesn't actually go into any of the hairs. I think this one works though. Not perfect, but it actually gets in there. It feels about the same as the other one. This one, yeah, I don't even know if you could comb your hair with that. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's doing anything. Whatever. Something you can experiment with. Easy to make, easy project, easy scroll saw project. If you just want to play around with something and get something out real quick, something you can put together. Pretty nifty, pretty fun. I probably won't do it again. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell too, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, I do have a Means Woodshop Facebook page, and I'm on Instagram as well if you'd like to follow me on those platforms. That would be greatly appreciated. I try to have a video out every week. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. I will see you next time.